Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 6 of the book Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Making of a Scientist, written by Robert W. Peterson, and this is module 1. So come on, let's read and know what happens in this chapter. Dear students, Robert W. Peterson was an American newspaper writer who later became a freelance author of magazine articles and books, especially on the topics of sports and scouting. He was a writer, editor with the Old New York Work Telegram newspaper, which folded in 1966. He died on 11 Feb 2006 in US. Here we are going to discuss some key points of the chapter Making of a Scientist. Richard H. Albright grew up in Reading in Pennsylvania. In kindergarten, Albright collected butterflies. His mother would take him on trips, bought him telescope, microscope, cameras, mounting material and other material required for learning. By the time he was in the second grade, Albright had collected all 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. His mother gave him a children's book called The Travel of Monarch 10. The book, which told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America, opened the world of science to Richard. For his 8th grade project, Albright tried to find the cause of a viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. The next year, his science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. This project was placed first in zoology division and third overall in country science fair. There he won third place for zoology. Indirectly, it also led to his new theory on the life of cells. This project won Albright first place in the country fair and entry into the and International Science and Engineering Fair. In in his second year in high school, Richard began the research that led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Richard H. Albright published the theory of how cell works in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science at the age of 22. There he was not able to do anything. He was not able to play football or baseball too. But he said that there he could do one thing, that was to collect things. So he collected things. Here is the list of the butterflies, different species of the butterflies that he used to collect. This is all for today. We will meet soon in module 2. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much for listening me.